I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select trigger, which is FormCraft. Select a form. Click on Next. Search and select an action Zapier. Give here a webhook link, so go to the Zapier dashboard. Create Zaps. Click on the trigger. Choose a trigger. Webhooks. Choose an event. Catch hook. Continue. Continue. Now copy the webhook URL and paste it into the integration site. Now click on the body. Send all data. Now choose the payload type. Application/JSON. There are advanced features available in conditional logic that can be utilized to meet your specific requirements. Test webhook. Webhook executed successfully. Next. Finish and save it. Now go to the Zapier dashboard. To fetch the data, test the trigger. You can now see that the data has been fetched successfully. Choose your required action. I am choosing woodpecker. Choose an event. Continue. I have already connected with my woodpecker account, so click on Continue. Now map the required fields. Continue. Skip test. Publish it. Zap published successfully. Let's submit a form. Submit the form. Now go to the woodpecker dashboard and navigate to the prospects. You can see that the data has been successfully received via Zapier. Thanks for watching.